So, basic steps in folk dancing. So, ito yung mga ginagamit natin when we engage in folk dancing. Folk dance. Ano muna ang folk dance? Form of dance developed by a group of people that reflects traditional life of the people of a certain country or a certain region. Set. A dance formation of two or more couples. Yan. Ito yung sila. So, two or more couples. Then, saludo means to bow or giving respect to your partner, something like that. Arms in lateral position. Both arms are one side at shoulder level. So, arms in T position. So, shoulder level lang yung ating braso. Bend is to move the body or part around the wide axis. So, patagilid. Pajak, stamp, or tap with foot. Leap, to spring on one foot and land on the other. Okay?